Welcome to my channel. Today we will take you back in time to explore the fascinating world of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that lived on Earth during the Mesozoic era, which lasted from about 252 to 66 million years ago. The word dinosaur means terrible lizard, which is quite fitting considering some of the enormous and ferocious creatures that fall within this category. Dinosaurs first appeared during the Triassic Period and quickly became the dominant land animals. They lived during a time when the Earth's climate was generally warm and humid, which may have contributed to their success. One of the most well-known dinosaurs was the Tyrannosaurus Rex, a massive carnivore that lived in what is now North America. Rex was one of the largest and most powerful predators of its time, with a huge head and powerful jaws filled with sharp teeth. Another famous dinosaur was the Brachiosaurus, an enormous herbivore that lived in what is now North America, Africa, and Europe. It was one of the largest animals of its time, with a long neck and tail and a body that could grow up to 26 meters long. But not all dinosaurs were giants. Some were actually quite small, such as the Compsognathus, which was about the size of a chicken. Dinosaurs were incredibly diverse. And there are many other famous members of this group, including the Triceratops, Velociraptor, and Ankylosaurus. Each of these creatures had unique characteristics that made them successful in their environment. For example, the Triceratops had 3 large horns on its head that it could use to defend itself against predators, while the Ankylosaurus was covered in bony plates and spikes that made it nearly impenetrable to attacks. Despite their success, dinosaurs eventually went extinct. Along with many other species, around 66 million years ago. The most widely accepted theory for their extinction is that a large asteroid or comet struck the Earth, causing massive climate change that led to the end of the Cretaceous period and the beginning of the Paleogene. Today, we can learn about dinosaurs through their fossils, which have been found on every continent on Earth. By studying fossils, scientists have been able to piece together the history of these amazing creatures and learn about the world they lived in. Fossils have also helped us understand that dinosaurs were not just huge and scary, but were actually a diverse group of animals that were well adapted to their environment. One of the most exciting things about dinosaurs is that they continue to capture our imagination today. From books and movies to toys and clothing, dinosaurs are everywhere. They have become a part of popular culture and continue to fascinate people of all ages. Now, here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that modern birds are actually descended from theropod dinosaurs, which includes the T-Rex? This means that birds are technically dinosaurs and that the T-Rex is related to some of the smallest and most common birds alive today. It's as a truly remarkable fact that reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the incredible power of evolution. So, the next time you see a sparrow flying past or a pigeon strutting down the street, remember that they are part of a long line of feathered dinosaurs that have been around for millions of years. Who knows? Maybe the T-Rex would have evolved into a small flightless bird similar to an ostrich if it had undergone extinct. Dinosaurs were truly remarkable creatures that dominated the Earth for millions of years. They were incredibly diverse, ranging from tiny chicken-sized dinosaurs to enormous elephant-like creatures. Although they went extinct around 66 million years ago, they continue to capture our imagination today. So the next time you see a dinosaur at the zoo or a museum, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power and majesty of these prehistoric beasts. You might be standing in the presence of a relative of the mighty T-Rex or a close cousin of the long-necked Brachiosaurus. Who knows? Maybe you'll even catch a glimpse of a velociraptor or a triceratops. After all, you never know what secrets the Earth might reveal about its ancient past.